So the countdown has begun. The parliament session is about to start on 29th of November, and as per the process, the parliament has to publish the list of bills which are supposed to be discussed during the parliament session. And in that list, we can see that the crypto bill will be tabled in this parliament session. So if we go by the bill and if we read the wordings, so wordings are exactly the same which were presented last time as well. So if you remember, during the last session of the parliament, we did saw that the exact wordings were used during that time as well. And even now we are seeing that the wordings have not been changed. So I'm sure that, if you go by the wordings are clearly saying that the private cryptocurrencies will be banned. And obviously here private cryptocurrencies means that something which is not backed by the government. And that includes, by the way, Bitcoin and Ethereum, because obviously as of now we know that Bitcoin and Ethereum is not backed by the government. So that is the reason I'm saying that, if we go by the wordings, yes, there is definitely a panic, and that is visible as well. But I think after all the deliberations and after all the developments and after all the parliamentary meetings which has happened in the recent past, it is yet to be seen that something has been included in the bill or not, or some change has happened or not. It is yet to be seen, and it can only be told once we get to know the content of the bill. So I think as of now, at this juncture, we should not panic. And I think we should wait for the content of the bill, and we should wait for the day when the bill is presented, and then we'll be able to tell the exact scenario and what is there in the bill. So I think we should wait for the right time and stay calm. And the good thing is that finally, something is happening, and the bill is being discussed. The bill is being presented, and as we know that the community is living in the gray area, we'll at least get something in black and white. So that's the good part. And as I already tell people that hope for the best and prepare for the worst. Thank you very much.